Hi everyone, I'm Greg, and I'm a bilateral cochlear implant recipient. Today I'm excited to share with you what's inside the Kanso 2 kit. Whether you're a new recipient, have recently upgraded, or just curious to learn more, let's get started. Let's start with the Kanso 2. I have the black Kanso 2, but it comes in 5 different colors. The Kanso 2 is one single unit designed to be smart, simple, and easy to use, so you can put the processor on and go about your day. It's off the ear, so it provides a higher level of discretion and comfort, especially for those that wear glasses, sunglasses, or even face masks when necessary. A new feature of the Kanso 2 is its automatic on-off function. Simply pick it up to turn it on, and place it on your head, and remove it to turn it off. The Kanso 2 processor also has an on-off tap interface. To manually turn it on, hold the Kanso 2 in your hand and tap twice. To turn the processor off, tap 3 times. The processor also has 2 microphone ports and an indicator light. This is the microphone cover. It needs to be replaced every 3 months to ensure optimal sound quality. You'll have extra covers in your kit, and you can always order more on the online Cochlear store. On the back side is where you'll insert the magnet. This socket here is for retention or on-the-go charging. Your kit will also come with the home charger and the portable charger. The home charger has 2 purposes: charging your processor and drying it to keep it operating efficiently. The portable charger is a great option if you need to extend battery life. It's designed to be easily clipped to your shirt for on-the-go charging. We offer the safety line and hair clip as a retention option to give you added confidence that the processor will stay securely in place. Also standard in the kit is a microfiber cloth for cleaning, a screwdriver and brush for maintenance, software pads for added comfort, a socket cover, magnet removal tool, and user guide. Now we'll review the additional accessories available. Your kit may include 1 or more of these depending on the selection by you and your audiologist. The Cochlear Mini Mic 2 Plus is a helpful tool for situations where you may want to hear someone at a distance, or such as a classroom, church, or in noisy situations like a restaurant. Think of your Mini Mic 2 Plus as your extendable ear up to 82 feet. The Cochlear wireless TV streamer is great for households where more than one person may be watching TV. The benefit is the TV streamer allows you, as the recipient, to hear the TV directly in your ears at your uncomfortable volume, while other viewers in the room can listen at their own preferred volume or not at all. The Cochlear wireless phone clip makes it possible to talk hands-free on the telephone or hear through other compatible Bluetooth devices. If you do not have a smartphone to utilize the Nucleus Smart app, you can use the remote control instead. This device can change your volume and your programs, as well as activate streaming audio from your wireless devices. The Kanso 2 is designed to be durable and water resistant on its own. You don't need to worry about getting caught in the rain. However, if you want to go for a swim in the ocean, lake, or pool, the Aqua Plus is a handy accessory to ensure that your Kanso 2 is fully waterproof. For those of us who enjoy exercising, the headband is a great option designed to provide an added layer of retention. Thanks for watching our Kanso 2 unpacking video. I hope you now have a better understanding of everything that could come in your kit. Please watch the dedicated videos that follow, as we will walk through some additional details for all the accessory options.